Okay, no, it's not Stone Cold coming into your living room. You guys already know. Bearded Bobber's here. We're ready for another adventure. And you're about to get into my normal intro on this random motovlog. But I need to tell you guys, it's random. I was into my first 1K. Was doing some motovlogging, some storytelling. Okay, guys? And we're going back into high school and now and just love and everything else is on the line. I'm telling you guys stuff that was rambling into my head, and you guys can tell I am rambling, but it's me. I'm here. You guys know I lay it out there, but I do want to say it's honestly I meant it about love and everything else, and I do want to say I do know what the word Sancho means, okay? So when I am saying it, it's a little off, but whatever. You're going to hear some basketball swishing. I also realized I should take the names out of this conversation, considering I was just spewing and not thinking. And you know what? We're going to get into it. Enjoy. It's totally a random topic, guys, and tiny bit adult. Nothing, nothing crazy, but let's get into it. Listen to the rambling.
What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another adventure with the Bearded Bobber. And today's adventure is brought to you by the Rambling 40. Like I've been doing this for a cool minute now, and I'm on my third video. Topic. One of them not done yet. This one already off track. How is that? Okay, take 5. No. Okay. So random motovlog time, guys. Random motovlog. Random topic. I have, let's go back to high school. Let's go all the way back, okay? We're gonna go back, we're gonna go into younger Bearded Bobber days, okay? Before motorcycles. Motorcycles would have made this much worse. Now, without going into too much crazy stuff, stop, aliens, okay? What did that sign just say? Something aliens? Indian Roadmaster! Woo! Alright. And a nice pearl, that white too. That's gorgeous. Alright. Back in high school, alright? I went to a small high school. I had a few dates, you know, and oh, is there an Indian sign right here? Hold up. Indian Albuquerque, so it's back that way. I missed you guys. Back in high school, I had a few girlfriends. Nothing crazy, you know, nothing insanely serious, like 3 months here and there. There's a bunch of random topics that can come off of just those stories, but no. The one I want to talk about is I feel responsible, and my brother the postman should feel responsible, and I know he's not going to watch this. He's subscribed to me, but he's so busy he can't watch my videos. I'm gonna send him just that clip of me talking shit, along with his. This was always the quiet gamer. Loves fishing, works hard, takes care of his family. He's a very family-oriented guy. You'd think like, oh, he lives at home with mom, but he bought the property next to their house and put a house on it for his mom. Like, and then the other property is going to be fixed up for him. He gave his mom his truck when he got another truck, and he makes sure she's taken care of. His dad got his first truck. He's very family oriented, and I love my brother to death. And I feel responsible in a way for him. Okay, the title of this video is My Brother is a Sancho and It's My Fault. Alright? And really, I feel that way, and I feel like I think my brother the postman is part of this problem as well. Now, we talked to him, and we're like, alright, bro, we've been out of high school graduated in 2004, alright? It's 18 years now, alright? Or going on 18 years. 17 years. man, like, what's up? Like, what's going on? You know, and we talk, like guys talk, all right? Like, guys talk about everything. Like, we always do. We're close. It doesn't matter what it is. He went to Texas with me while we dropped our buddy Nick off and in Austin. Like, we drove down there. He kept me company with my other brother. And, dude, we talked about everything and anything under the sun. Like, I could not record all those conversations because YouTube is very, very, very sensitive. Get over it. I did not realize how loud my bike is until I rode in Kingman, Arizona for a couple blocks without my helmet on. And I went, whoa. Yeah, that's what we're talking about, guys. Now, back to Sancho. So, I feel really bad about it, okay? Because, so we go back. I had some shitty girlfriends in high school. I had a couple good ones. Well, one was ended up being shitty because I had a lot of women in my life that were not very good to me. Like, I've been a good guy. Postman's a good guy. Sancho's a really good guy. I can tell you guys that 100%. He's an amazing guy, and that's why he's become a Sancho. Like, it's the weirdest thing to talk about, and I don't even know why this is funny. Like, I'm not trying to laugh, like, because I feel really bad, but I just don't know if he's gonna watch this video. So, like, I don't know. We'll see. We talked to him about, like, if he's gonna get in a relationship, because we talked about I'm on my second marriage, and he's just like, nah, man, he didn't even want to, like, come to the wedding, and, like, it was just, I'm not doing it, man. I'm not doing weddings. Like, what? Like, what? Dude, I want you there for me. I was a little hurt, but this is, like, that's, all right? Like, goes fishing after work, does his own thing. High school, he wasn't the one dating. I ended up being the one who was dating. My brother Postman got in a relationship. He was 17 and just ended that relationship. Now, they didn't have a great relationship. Me and my first wife had issues, and we broke up, and I was with her for like 10 years. Postman was with his wife for over 10 years. And I think that really was like a push for the Sancho. Like, you know, he talked to us one night of, like, all these girls who hit him up at work who were in relationships. Like, and this is a touchy topic. Like, I can't go into too details, like, it's YouTube. But he asked, like, would you see these women? Like, and he was, like, morally all over the place on it. Like, and I'm like, look, man, that's where the world's been. Like, I've been in a job where I've seen women, men, like, when I hear men are pigs, man, I've seen women do some gnarly things, and I've been on the end of that. Like, and it hurts, but, like, Vince, he was able to see all of this from an outside perspective, and I feel like that really, like, just sealed it. I told you guys, he takes care of his mom. His mom and his dad broke up. My mom and dad broke up. Postman, his parents are really good. You know, like, they've been together for a very long time. They're the one, like, beacon, you know? Like, my dad's been with his wife for a very long time now. With second mom or bonus mom or whatever you guys want to call it. Because my mom passed away, you guys know that. But, you know, and, like, they're really good. Like, so it's out there. And that's what I told him. Like, happiness is out there. Like, and I just feel like nothing can bring it back. You know, like, what he saw me go through the first time, what he saw Postman go through the first time, I don't think there's any saving it. And it sucks. Like, I don't know, you know, Postman's got a new relationship now, and that's been a thing. And I'm very happy. You guys have seen Bombshell Biker on the channel. Nikki is one of the best things that's ever happened to me. I was single for a couple years after my ex-wife, and I was in a weird spot where I didn't care. I was kind of on that fence. I was in the same boat as I was like, well, bro, I hope you got another pole, because I'm out here fishing with you, man. I was like, it's catch release season, and that's it. And that's what that's what I tell him. Like, that's the only permit he's got. He's got catch and release permit. And I feel so weird about this entire situation, and I really hope like he finds that, and I found that, you know, like before. I feel like I'm hearing music, and I'm not. No idea. Something. That's what happens when you don't have music on for so long. I have no clue what's happening. Okay, just me hearing shit. But I don't know. Have you guys had someone in your life that just was like, nope, and went off to the like? And I don't want to say player. I don't want to say that, because I wouldn't say he's a player by normal terms of like wanting to just like be with women and that's it. Like, these women seek him out. Like, he is not on profiles. He's not like out there trying to get every single woman he can or anything like that. Nothing crazy, guys. Like, I hope I didn't make that come across wrong and you made it to this part of the video. But it just happens to be not wanting a serious relationship. Small relationships or whatever it seems like. Dates and, you know, here and there. But he has no idea that it's going to ever go longer than that. Like, and like I said, I was in that boat with him, and I jumped ship because Nikki was my beacon. Like, she checked all the boxes, beautiful, like everything about her, inside and out, like beautiful soul. What's up, guys? Where are you guys going? Oh man, Amarillo, Texas, 231 miles. Can I make it? I might be able to make it. I did not think I was gonna make the Amarillo. I'm getting really good gas mileage right now, guys. It's been 50 miles, 200. Yeah, I've upped it every time. We'll see. We'll see if we get there. But do you guys have somebody in your life that's done that? Maybe did they ever turn it back around? You know, mid 30s, like turn it around. I hope, I really do, man. Like, with how he is about taking care of his family, his brothers, and his mom and his dad, like, he's always been there for me. Maybe he didn't go to my wedding, but he's been there for me, you know? I don't know. I'm rambling. Yeah, there's just another motovlog for you guys. Guys, I hope you're out doing something fun. I hope you made it to the end of the video. If you made it to the end of the video, let's try this again. This worked out a lot. This was a lot of fun last time. A lot of fun last time. And I just want you guys to put, I want you to put hope. How about that? Hope. How about hashtag hope for Sancho? Hope for Sancho. Oh my God, that's too funny to me. That is way too funny for me. Like, oh man. And if you have Instagram, tag you. If it was you, if you were the Sancho a long time ago, and then you ended up being in love and then thinking it wasn't a thing, you should post like you and your loved one on Instagram. Hashtag hope for Sancho. It is gonna be a long day. I got 660 miles to go. Oh guys, oh man, I really hope you made it that far in the video. I don't know how long this damn video is. Alright. Oh God, I love you guys so much. Stay safe out there, stay classy, and I hope to see you guys out there. Later.